Chandigarh, one of the first beautiful planned city of India. And Sector 17 is the heart of Chandigarh. Aditya Telecom Solution is situated at the center of this 17 on the top floor of SCO 169. India has climbed the ladder of telecom in last 15 years with revolutionizing the total industry scenario. Telecom has come a long way. Once upon a time, it was assumed that India is 20 years backward from the Western nations in technology. But now, India is at same level or step further. In case of software, India is much ahead as compared to the other nations. Telecommunication means the way of communicating with other people. Who could forget the most famous way of telecommunication via the means of pigeons in the early days? After which, the telecom has seen revolution. Right from the manual telephony where operator used to switch the telephone calls by putting jockey, to trouser exchanges, to crossbar, to technology breakthrough electronics exchanges. And now the cellular telephony. An era of technology burst since 1995 has taken place. From just voice to data over cellular network. From simple technologies of GSM, CDMA to evolution of more complicated technologies, GPRS, Edge, 3G and now 4G. The next revolution belongs to tablets. India is a 120 crore populated country which forms the 1/6 of world population. India is the second largest market after China, and slowly it is moving towards to become the developed nation. The next 10 years, they are going to be the golden time in the Indian history, where we are going to see the overall growth in the Indian economy, and we are going to see a great strong nation in next 10 years. As telecom is backbone of any industry inside any country. As telecom is the first branch which is backbone of any industry, may it be chemical industry, may it be mechanical industry, may it be automobile industry, may it be IT industry. As phone and data, the internet, the mails and all this stuff is needed by all the industries. The telecom forms the part of the infrastructure, and till the time infrastructure is not strong, any country, any industry cannot grow. So, telecom is the first branch which is the backbone of any country and industry. The first wave of the telecom revolution India has already seen, as we have moved from manual telephony to cellular telephony. Nobody thought about cellular telephony once upon a time. But post 1995, India has seen tremendous growth in the sector. The teledensity of India today is at 70%, and the internet penetration is at 10%. Now, the second wave of telecom revolution is round the corner. Now the maximum growth which we are going to see is in case of data, mainly internet. The tablet is going to do the revolution. Each and every person is going to have the tablets, as they will be coming very cheap in the range of 2000 to 3000 rupees. And soon there will be a huge demand. Definitely we are going to see telecom in a new avatar in coming days. ATSOL is committed to keep the pace with the fast changing technological industry and scenario. Time to time, we are upgrading our trainings, and ATSOL as a company also, it has produced more than 1000 professional engineers who are working in India as well as abroad, and they are sitting at very good levels. In future also, we are committed that we will be providing, which is the sole motto of ATSOL, to provide the world-class trainings at the affordable prices and at no profit, no loss arrangement. ATSOL has got latest tools, and time to time we upgrade these tools. We have best of the faculty. ATSOL is first company, RF company, telecom company, training institute in northern India, and we are working for last 8 years. Our motto of creativity and innovation through everybody's participation has kept us 2 steps ahead of others. It is the time the telecom is going to see another revolution. The faculty at ATSOL is highly trained and skilled faculty, and to upgrade their skills, we always send this faculty to various renowned vendors for technical knowledges, and time to time we identify which areas are needed to be attacked, where we can train them and upgrade their skills. The counseling is important at ATSOL. Each and every student receives the personal attention and the career guidance. The 4G is round the corner. The tablets are round the corner. ATSOL has done a technological breakthrough in case of the online trainings. It is first time in the world that we have launched these trainings. These are few demonstrations which are taking place, which are the softwares and tools we use and train our students for. The drive test tool is the basic tool for doing the optimization of the cellular network, where we see the receive level, the quality, the drop call, the block call. All these statistics are analyzed in the drive test tool. Then the site visits the different equipment parts, the BTS, base transceiver station, the BSC, the MSC, which are the different parts of these equipments which forms the part of the cellular network. We take the students to the on-sites where all the doubts, all the learnings takes place at the site, and also all the doubts are cleared at that moment of time. These are all the important network elements of cellular network. Enough has been done in case of voice in telephony. Now all the revolution is coming in case of data. Everybody wants that the data should be downloaded as we click on the mouse. So in this series, the 4G is going to be the next technology which is most happening right now, which may be based on a new technology LTE, and ATSOL is fully prepared for this technology. ATSOL has a strong team. ATSOL is best in its field. Other than telecom, ATSOL is offering the courses of automation and embedded also. And for the convenience of the students, these courses we have offered as a combo pack also. And as I told you before also that ATSOL Training Academy is a no-profit academy. Our main motto is to spread the awareness about telecom and other technologies so that awareness is there. This strong ATSOL team is calling you to be part of this revolution, this technology breakthrough, and have the professional trainings so that tomorrow when you go for a job, you are well skilled, well informed, ready to take the challenge and compete with the rest of the world as one of the best engineers.